Okay, let's talk about the shortcut keys in After Effects over here for the creating keyframes. Now suppose if I have this ellipse over here and I want to change the position property of it. So if you go inside this and if you see, you will get transform property, and inside this transform property you will get so many options like position, scale, rotation. But all time I cannot go inside and inside. So there are some shortcut keys which is related to their names itself. So let's minimize this, and suppose I want to animate the position property. So p position, first alphabet is p. So if I hit p on my keyboard, I'll get position property. Then suppose if I want to adjust the scale, then I can press S. I want to adjust rotation, then I can press R. But if you hit O, you are not gonna get opacity. So if you want to opacity, then you can press T, so it will opacity. But it is quite difficult to understand T from opacity, so you can understand it's called transparency. So initial letter of transparency is T, so you can press T on your keyboard to create this. Okay, now suppose if I hit P for position, let's create one keyframe, then zoom in a little bit, go to around 1 second, I'll move this over here, I'll go to 2 seconds and I'll move this over here. Obviously we will going to talk about this entire thing in detail in further videos, but right now we are going to focus on only shortcut keys. Okay, so if I hit spacebar, I'll get this kind of animation over here which is like this. And I don't want to see those keyframes for this one, so I can hit either I can minimize it like this, and if I want to see those keyframes again, then I can hit U on my keyboard, which is a shortcut key to reveal keyframes, not only position keyframes but all of them. For example, if I select this and if I press S, create one keyframe, go few frame forward, let's minimize it, go few frame forward, let's again, and now if I hit U, I can see that keyframes also like this. So this is for this. And now as you guys can see, my time indicator is in middle of something like this. Now I want to jump to forward keyframes like over here. Then instead of choosing this time indicator and move this over here, and here, what can I do? I can press simply K for forward direction keyframes. If I hit K again, time indicator may move on forward direction keyframes. If I hit J, it will go on backward directions. Okay, so these are some simple shortcut keys that you need to understand whenever you are going to use After Effects.